So the time lapse feature of the Google Earth is very unique, and I think that everyone must know that feature because it is very useful in various cases when you are dealing with the real estate property and everything. Because suppose you are buying a flat in an old society, so you might not know that on what date on or on which year the particular building was being developed and how old it is. So for that reason as well, it is a very unique feature that will actually tell you the actual status of everything. Further, if there are encroachment cases, this Google Earth Pro can satellite images can help you very much in ascertaining the fact that on which date the encroachment did happen, on which date the construction did happen, uh, and everything. So suppose like we are taking this area, okay, and now what we are doing is the time lapse. We are using this time lapse feature. So we have actually first gone to the 1985, uh, December of 1985 of the Mumbai. Here we can see that there is nothing in the area, and it is like mostly the views are like there are the barren lands. But now later it has redirected us to the 2009 of the Mumbai. And here also we can see, okay, there are the buildings and this is the plain land. Now how it looks in 2011, we are going to see it. So it basically tells you that how the city actually developed over the years, and now we are seeing that okay, there has been construction being started here. Earlier it was a plain land, but now the construction has been started in 2011. Now on April, it has redirected us to the April of 2011. So this is how we can actually ascertain that okay, when the building has been started or when the building was under the construction through the satellite images. We are seeing the gradual development of the building and erection of the building. Now we have moved to 2012. So we will go now a little faster because it is taking time. And now you see, this is the latest image of this. So this is how the timeless feature works. You can use this timeless feature for whole of city as well, and you can understand that how the city has actually developed over the years. So this is how you can see. Uh, in 1986, you will see that okay, this whole area is a barren land, but over the years, you will see that it has significantly changed. So that's it from my side. Thank you.